Good morning students, myself Rajesh sir. Today we are doing the steel life basics, some objects and some basics form. So let's start the steel life. Good morning students, last period we have studied this objects, basic objects for steel life. Here you can see smooth mixing for cylinder shape. Here are the patches because of the hexagonal shape. Here you can see cube 1 2 3 place. Now here sphere. Okay, so steel life means three-dimensional effect. Okay, now you have to study the shape form. Here you can see half piece of the sphere is here, you can see here. Okay, so light to dark are done, and the half piece of the cylinder shape is here, light, middle, dark. So all these basic shapes are important. Now see this form, how you can do. For example, any box like shape is there, so you can color like that. Means if you are consider the light from this side, upper side here, so this portion will be light, this portion will be the middle, this one, and this will be the dark. Okay, so you can see it is like box or trunk. Okay, always you have to show the perspective. Here you can see this and this measurement is same, but we have showed here some small because of the perspective, yathartha darshan. Okay, see, so basic shape is this, and we are converted into like this. So light tone, middle tone, dark tone. Okay, very simple. This is middle part, and this will be the dark portion. Okay, here we have remaining that time to show you cone. We can do the dark shades. If we will consider light from this side, now planes will come. See, this part will small and this will big, small, big, like this. So it will go like this. So first, if you will practice with the pencil shading, then you will be able to do the proper coloring of the object drawing in still life. First, you should know light and dark shading or portion, which part is dark, which part is light. So you will be able to do the better drawing, beautiful drawing. Okay. Okay, turning like this. So according to form, shading is changing. Okay, light tone, middle tone, dark tone. All these are basic shapes. So you can water bottle, see, sphere and cylinder. This one here. So I hope you understood the shading. Now this shape you can see here. I will do light sphere shape. If you have practiced the sphere, then you will be able to the color, draw and color these objects. Okay, I hope everybody has seen like this object, mainly in village side they are using. Okay, we'll do the correction. Only this upper part is different, but total construction of this object is like sphere. But you don't try memory drawing, huh? Means you keep any one object in front, like cup and saucer or a glass. First, don't think about the material. Okay, it is plastic or metal, or just you see the form and try to study the form. Okay, like this object. Okay, now you can see you can same you can do, like if you consider light from this side, so we can make a dark color here, dark, then we can make and light. So dark to this is inside part. Okay, this is outside part. This will be the dark. Pencil drawing, pencil shading is basic, so you first practice with pencil. Okay, like this you can show. Okay, and this part you can color like same like here. You can do round also, entering, and you can do the line, whichever you are comfortable, that you can do. we'll do some corrections over here. This part we have to make the light, because this part is light, white. Rendering is very important. Pencil rendering, then coloring. Smoothly you have to move, not to pressure. This is like yellow ochre color, and then downward white. Keep the object in front of you and then do the work. Okay? Don't do by memory. And cast shadow, this is I am drawing. This is not important. First object is very important. So try to do the object properly best. This is for just information. Afterwards, when you will do full still life in school, that time you will understand. Okay, so I hope you understood. How the basic shapes are there in the object. So I hope you can see the objects. Don't draw small, do it big. Just I am showing. Okay, like this color pencil also you can take and do if you are having chalk or crayons. So pencil shading is very important. Okay, now I will show you one more object that many times we are using same head is same but shape is like cylinder. Okay, always do the guideline. So one more object is like this, so you can this some cross, we will do the straight. When we are doing drawing now, turn like this, so you will get the correction. And this I will do the corrections. Okay, yes, now we got it. Now you can erase the guidelines. Same here will also happen. So same we can do here also. If you consider like this, same will happen. Same happen here. Only this part is like cylinder and this part is like the sphere. Okay, same we will do here. This part I will make dark middle tone and the light tone. Same here. This is down one part, so this will be dark, somewhere a middle tone. Here dark, middle and light, and this will be the light. Here light, here dark, here some dark and shadow. Okay, same thing will happen here, shown in the these two assignment, these two object. Okay, light, middle, dark, light, middle, dark. Okay, so same will happen here. So like this, different objects if you are having at home, keep there in front of you for some distance and then try to draw it. Down to the object you can keep one white paper if you are having, means you will get the proper light direction. Next period I will show you the light part, coloring of the background or objects. Okay, so same will happen here also. So I am using different pencils. If you don't have, don't bother. Okay, don't demand to the parents afterward. If with one pencil only you can also do, no problem. So like this here will be the dark tone. Same condition here also, you can see the shape change, the shadow portion change, not straight line. What many students are doing straight, light, middle, dark. It is not like this. So light, middle, dark. Okay, so we have to merge. You have to color, but if you will understand the basics of the objects, then you will be able to color it properly. If you don't know where is the light, dark, then how you will do? So like this dark portion will be here. Same will happen here. Okay, so I hope you understood the light tone, middle tone, dark tone. Okay, so I hope you are understanding how to do the shading. No need to do the pencil shading for many objects, but you should understand, for understanding the object. If you will understand object drawing, then you will be able to color the objects, and then your still life will be the best. Okay, I am doing fast rendering. Or you can do like this also. You can keep one object in front of you. Here is this is the flooring, this is the background, like one cloth, if possible. Not so compulsory to all of you. Okay, but try 2-3 objects at home, practice to do it. Okay, thank you.